When to change your car tires. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car maintenance and talking about something super important when to change your car tires. It's not just about safety, but also about performance and saving you money. So, let's get started. Section 1. Tread depth. The first thing to check is your tire tread depth. This is crucial for grip, especially in wet conditions. The legal limit in the UK is 1.6 millimeters, but honestly, you're pushing it at that point. For optimal safety, aim for around 3 millimeters of tread. To check, you can use a tire tread depth gauge, or you can do the old to OP trick. Insert an OP coin into the tread. If you can see the outer band of the coin, it's time for new tires. Section 2. Tire age. Believe it or not, tires have a lifespan too. Even if they look great, rubber can deteriorate over time. It's recommended to have your tires inspected by a professional after 5 years. After 10 years, it's time to replace them no matter how good they look. Remember, rubber is like any other material. It ages and loses its elasticity. Section 3. Tire condition. Regular visual inspections are a must. Look out for signs of wear, cracking, bulges, or any unusual damage. If you spot anything suspicious, don't hesitate to take your car to a tire specialist. They'll be able to assess the situation and advise you accordingly. Prevention is always better than cure. Section 4. Seasonal changes. If you live in a region with harsh winters, consider investing in a set of winter tires. These are specifically designed to provide better grip in snowy and icy conditions. In the summer, switch back to your regular tires for optimal performance. Remember, all-season tires are a compromise and might not be the best option in extreme weather conditions. Section 5. Other factors. Your driving style and conditions can also impact tire wear. Aggressive driving, heavy loads, and frequent braking will accelerate tire wear. If you drive on rough roads regularly, it's even more important to monitor your tire condition closely. Changing your tires might seem like a small thing, but it's one of the most important aspects of car maintenance. By following these tips, you'll not only improve your car's performance, but also ensure the safety of yourself and your passengers. Well, that was a video. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it, which was about as much as a snail enjoys a rocket launch. Subscribe for more automotive adventures, or at least to see how much worse we can get.